Asuntoskeittiö Maistraatinkatu 1, niin Länsi-Pasila Helsinki, staircase B. Yeah.
One moment, please. Today is the 7th of August 2020. Here's Maistraatinkatu, and which number?
1.
1, yeah, 1 staircase B. And we have been into staircase D already, which has the same amount of floors, 8 floors.
Yeah.
The other ones are lower, but we will get them later too. A bit original from 1982, turning 40 years old in 2022 and it's going to be inspected. Page 62235. Amazing. Whoa. How do you like the sound?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Oh yeah. So it still could be original. All of the 14 ones are.
Yeah.
We have 12 left of these. I have to remember which staircases we have been in.
Yeah.
When we start to get more of them. Maybe he's gonna use the elevator.
Yeah.
So we can go out on the 7th floor.
Yeah.
Wait there. Nice view.
Yeah.
Ja siitä enemmänkin.
Yeah.
He's downstairs.
Yeah.
I left my things there, but I think it's alright. Nobody will take them. People are usually honest here.
Yeah.
They don't steal. It's because it's too heavy.
Yeah.
It's irritating while filming. Well, since we had to wait for the elevator, we'll see if we need a second ride.
I think 1 is enough.
I think so too, because we need to go to the other buildings too.
Yeah.
And because we had to wait here.
Yeah.
Well, just to avoid people.
Yeah.
And not only because we are filming, but because of this situation
Yeah.
with social distancing and that. It's still going on, it will go on for a long time.
Yeah.
But let me check the comment. Oh look, it's an arrow on it.
Yeah.
It has an arrow. Check the arrow that where's it's here. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
Wow, it's interesting. They have a classic with arrow here. You never see it on this type of elevator without any doors.
Yeah.
But here it was a spare part probably.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Oops, sorry.
That's
Thank you very much.